Want to add a watermark to your PDF document? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a watermark in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC quickly and easily. First, open Adobe Acrobat Pro DC and open the PDF you want to edit. Once the file is open, click Edit from the top menu. Next, select Watermark and then click Add. In the Watermark window, enter the text you want to use, such as Draft, Confidential, or any custom wording. You can customize the watermark by adjusting the font, size, color, opacity, rotation, and position. Use the Preview option to see how the watermark will appear on your pages. If needed, choose a specific page range where you want the watermark to appear. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click OK to apply the watermark to your document. And finally, save the PDF to keep your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added a watermark to a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC.